There's a certain stillness in October's woods, a whisper between the rustling leaves that says, "The season is turning." The air grows crisp, mushrooms rise from the damp earth, and the wild pantry takes on a deeper, earthier tone. While most believe the foraging season ends with summer's bloom, those who listen to the forest know October is still rich with forgotten abundance. Today, we're venturing into the quiet wilds to rediscover autumn's overlooked treasures. The ancient bread of the forest. Long before wheat filled our fields, acorns filled the baskets of our ancestors. These nuts from oak trees were ground into flour, roasted into coffee, and used as hearty sustenance for leaner months. Gather only ripe brown acorns, never green, and always leach the tannins by soaking or boiling until the water runs clear. The result? A nutty, slightly sweet flour perfect for pancakes or rustic bread. Note: avoid bitter varieties like red oak if possible. The green that defies the frost. Most greens retreat when the first frost arrives, but chickweed thrives in the chill. Its tender, star-shaped leaves hide near gardens, forest edges, and damp patches. High in vitamin C and minerals, chickweed is a cooling, cleansing herb, perfect for soothing inflammation and easing digestion. Add a handful to fall salads, or steep it as a gentle detox tea. The woodland healer. At the base of old oaks, you might find what looks like a ruffled forest hen, Grifola frondosa, or hen of the woods. This prized mushroom not only tastes incredible sautéed in butter, but is also a powerhouse for the immune system, rich in beta-glucans that support the body during cold season. Be cautious though. Always confirm identification, as it can be confused with the toxic Myripelis sumstinae, the black-staining polypore. The hidden medicine beneath the soil. The tall, burr-covered stalks you brushed against all summer now hide thick, medicinal roots underground. Burdock root can be harvested now, in its first year, before it hardens for winter. Slice it thin and simmer for a rich, earthy tea that helps purify the blood and support liver health. In Japanese cooking, burdock or gobo is also stir-fried as a crunchy autumn dish. Tart jewels of the hedgerow. October's hedges are dotted with small, imperfect apples. Don't overlook them. These wild fruits pack more antioxidants and vitamin C than most store-bought varieties. Use them for jellies, syrups, or even spice cider. Remember, always taste test in small amounts. Wild apples can vary in tartness and tannins. The forest's vitamin C bomb. After the flowers fade, rose bushes offer bright red hips. Harvest them after the first frost, when they're sweetest. Rose hips are loaded with vitamin C, perfect for immune-boosting teas and syrups. Just be sure to remove the tiny hairs inside before using. The last glow of autumn. Many mistake goldenrod for ragweed, but this sunlit wildflower is a friend, not a foe. Its blossoms can be dried for tea that helps relieve sinus congestion and support the kidneys. Found along roadsides and meadows, goldenrod is one of the final herbal allies before winter closes in. As the leaves fall and frost glitters across the fields, remember, the earth still offers nourishment to those who look closely. October's gifts may not shout from the treetops, but they whisper ancient wisdom. Nothing in nature truly ends, it only transforms. If you enjoyed this journey into the autumn wilds, be sure to like, subscribe, and share so others can reconnect with nature's hidden bounty. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild, and keep foraging wisely. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always be certain of plant identification and consult a qualified herbalist or professional before using herbs medicinally.